Begin with, I really love traveling. Nowadays we have a lot of opportunities and different means of traveling. You can visit any place in the world, whether you have money or not. So now I'm going to tell you about my experience in traveling and some advantages of it. Today we have so many different means of traveling, such as traveling by boat, plane, bus, train. Even you can take a walking tour on foot. All these means have their own advantages and disadvantages, but they are all quite good in some way. I have some experience in traveling by train. Railway journey is always enjoyable for me. You can take a lot of luggage with you and put it in the car's van. Besides, you can visit a restaurant car to have a meal there. I suggest that you should try it. Unfortunately, I've never traveled by plane, but I know that it is the fastest way of traveling, and it is also the safest one according to the statistics. Moreover, it's quite expensive means of traveling, but for all the money you'll spend, you'll get comfort. If you don't want to spend any of your money, you can always travel on foot. It is not fast at all, but it has a lot of pluses. Of course, it is very healthy. You can keep your body fit during the trip like this. Moreover, you can feel a quietness and calm of the nature. It will put you in a good nick. Actually, traveling is a good way to get acquainted with people. It is a great way to become an independent person and really confident. Meeting new people will really help you during your traveling in future in common. And it is so exciting to get acquainted with different cultures, traditions, food, and much more. For example, I visited Lviv not long ago, and it was so different place from my native. I gained a lot of experience during this journey. So let's talk about teachers. We who are travel a lot and their influence on the students. Firstly, it will be useful for learners to learn some new information about our world and got some important experience for the future. Teachers should be experienced to know a different way how to engage students into a learning. So I think traveling is a great way for teachers to be more confident and experienced at all. So, and to sum it up, traveling is the best thing which we can have in our lives. We can relax from the home routine and some problems during traveling. So my recommendation is that you should travel as much as possible. It is never waste of money.